Hi friends, today we're getting familiar with one of the most useful tools in the WoodMart theme, the Floating Blocks Builder. Unlike pop-ups, which overlay the entire content and are modal, floating blocks are non-intrusive. They don't interfere with browsing, but always stay in the user's field of view. Go to the admin panel, open Floating Blocks, and click the Add Block button. The WoodMart theme offers ready-made floating block designs, conveniently divided into 3 categories. You can choose one of them as a base and customize it. But today, we'll create one from scratch so you can understand the entire process from beginning to end. Give it a name, for example, Floating Block Banner. Click Create Floating Block. Let's create a simple promo block. Add a container. Add a section title element. Enter the text, up to 40% off. Go to the Style tab. In the General section, align it to the left. Set the width to 200 pixels. In the Typography section, set the font size to 42 pixels and the line height to 1.2 em. Next, add a text block element with the text, "On selected chairs and sofas." Set the font size to 20 pixels. Set the font weight to 600. Choose the text color, title. Finally, add a button element. Text, Shop Now. Set the link to the shop page. In the Style tab for the button, text color, white size, large alignment, left for the container. In the Layout tab, set gaps to 10 pixels. Go to the Style tab and set the color scheme to light. The next step is configuring the floating block itself. In the top panel, find the Settings icon, Gear, Floating Block Settings. We're moving on to the Style section. For the background, upload an image. Background position, center. Background size, cover. In the padding field, set 30 pixels on all sides. Set the margin on the right and bottom to 40 pixels. Animation, choose Slide from right. It looks natural, attracts attention, but doesn't annoy. In the Settings section, width, 320 pixels. Height, 450 pixels. Horizontal position, right. Vertical position, bottom. Configure block closing. Enable the Close button option. A small cross will appear. Enable persistent close. After closing, the block will not appear again on this device. Saved in cookies for 7 days. If you want the block to always remain visible, disable persistent close. By default, floating blocks in WoodMart appear immediately after the page loads. Triggers are disabled. Click Publish. Go to the home page. As you can see, the floating block appears right away. Unlike a pop-up, you can freely scroll the content underneath it. Now let's look at the conditions for the floating block to appear. Go back to the Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and find the Display Mode section. Choose Use Triggers. A detailed description of all triggers is available in the official WoodMart documentation. The link will be in the video description. For our example, we'll set up the following scenario. Show after viewing 3 pages. Choose the trigger after page views. Set the value to 3. Save the changes. Open the home page and navigate to other pages. As you can see, when you reach the 3rd page, for example, Portfolio, the floating block appears. Now let's make the block even smarter, so it doesn't show on the shop page. In the floating block settings, go to the Advanced tab and select the Conditions section. By default, the block appears on all pages. Click Add Item button. Comparison condition, exclude condition type, post ID or page, depending on the type. In the search, type Shop and select the desired page. After all the settings, be sure to save the block. Now test it. The block does not appear on the shop page. That's all. Now you know how to create and fine-tune powerful floating blocks in WoodMart to increase engagement and sales.